is Dr. Nancy Lee. You are in my live podcast, live free coaching regarding how you are able to land your next PM job. What's wrong with the interview process? So we're getting started in 1 minute. Let me play some countdown music. If you can see me live on LinkedIn and YouTube, please say hi in the chat. What's your name, where you're from, and what's your goal for 2023. Let me set the countdown music. Okay, all right, so let's get started, and let me choose my virtual background and you will see who I am. Awesome. So welcome guys. Let me see who else is here. Hello, this is Dr. Nancy Lee and Brittany from DC. How are you, Brittany? We also have several people on YouTube. Feel free to say hi in the chat. Welcome, welcome. Hello. Kavia from Boston. Yeah, I'm from Boston too. Well, I lived in Boston for 10 years and I moved to Miami. I'm from China. How are you guys? This is beautiful. How's the weather in DC and Boston right now? I am curious. I moved to Miami, so it looks like this outside. And oh, I blurred my background so you cannot see it. It's like Miami right now is like summer, but not really summer. Rashab, did you email my team to join me on Zoom to do live mock interviews? I haven't seen you join yet, so it's on Zoom. The Zoom link is in the chat. Cool. And also, by the way, guys, so today we do mock interviews. Anybody who want to do live mock interview with me, and you can directly comment in the chat, just say me, and I will send you a Zoom link, or directly email me. Comment me in the chat. Oh, not me, just comment mock interview in the chat. We'll do mock interview directly. Stain said, Chicago code, like always. And Kavya said, yeah, very cold in Boston right now. Oh, you in the waiting room? I don't see you in the waiting room. Which Zoom link did you use? Oh, did we use the wrong Zoom link? Huh. 1 sec. Let me, I don't see in my Zoom link. Maybe it's the wrong Zoom link. You're waiting. You're in Zoom link, Rishabh, hold on. Let me do this. Rishabh, why don't you email me? Maybe my team sent you a long link, sorry. Email me Nancy at drnancylee.com. And then I'm gonna send you the right Zoom link. Cool. Anybody wanna join to do mock interview, you can directly email me. I'll send you the Zoom link. Awesome. Okay, cool. Quick introduction. This is Dr. Nancy Lee. Let's get started. Let me plug in my microphone. Hello, guys. You can hear me, right? And cool, microphone switched. Hey, guys, this is Dr. Nancy Lee, a director of product featured in Forbes. I've helped 100 people land their dream job offer in FAANG companies and unicorn startup, continue to get promoted as a product leader. Actually, something very excited. We're seeing lots of people even if this is a recession, they're making great progress. For example, in February and last month, we still land 2 FAANG offers and 1 director offers and 1 TikTok offers. And the FAANG offers are Amazon and Apple. Amazon and Meta. It's like there's still opportunity. So that's why today we're doing like free mock interview with all of you guys. I want to make sure that you guys know what went wrong in your interview prep process. Probably you couldn't land job interview, or probably you land an interview, you don't know how to pass the interview. So today let's focus on how can you fix the interview preparation process. So comment on the chat. Oh, by the way, I also did a mock interview with ChatGPT. I published a new video yesterday. You guys should definitely check it out. ChatGPT almost passed Google interview. Some interview it did well, some interview didn't do well, and behavior interview definitely do very well. It can also pass product design interview with Google as well. It's crazy. It's crazy. Okay, so now let's get started. Let me make sure I send people the right Zoom link. Maybe my team and yeah. So did my team send you wrong Zoom link? But anyway, so I got your email. Weekly YouTube, right? Copy invitation. Okay. Bishop, yes, I just sent you the Zoom link. Everyone else want to join me for free mock interviews, you can email me and get a Zoom link as well. Okay, so let's do this. Let's go through today's key content first. Then we do mock interviews. Actually, very excited. This is the most fun part, provide live feedback to other people. Slideshow. All right, today we do product mock interview so that you're able to pass your job interviews and land a job offer. Awesome. So, and you know me, each time we go live, I like to share inspiring stories so that you guys not only try to land job offer and also have the momentum to continue keep going, because of course you will get rejected. Of course, the market is very competitive, but there's always a way to make it happen. But if you give up too early, in general, you would not able to achieve your results. So therefore, I decided to add many inspirational stories for all of you guys. Okay, so this is actually a student of Chan. So Chan was a Deloitte consultant. All right, so let me tell you a story regarding how she joined Amazon. And actually this, the way how, by the way, Chan received the offer from Amazon last year, not right now. Okay, we have another student, which is Ayanish. He received an offer from Amazon, which is in February, which is a month ago. So let me tell you Chan's background, and later on we can tell you about Ayanish's background. Okay, so when Chan received an offer from Amazon last year, her background was like consultant at Deloitte, and also like BS in financial engineering, part-time MBA in 2023, and no technical background at all. But when she joined Amazon, she actually became a technical product manager for Amazon. Okay, so once you guys really understand it is possible and also use the right strategy. Number one thing, what Chan did was, even if she doesn't have technical background at all, she joined Amazon working on something technical. What she did is the number one, she actually took cloud certification. If you want to work on AWS or like stuff, you need to understand what cloud is. And she actually took like cloud certification. You can go to like AWS cloud certification. You can Google online, the 3-day certification is also 3-hour certification to learn something technical before you even become product manager. But let me define technical. Learning something technical is different from knowing how to code. Okay, my PhD is in material science. I have been working on cloud computing, edge computing, AI space for like 5 years. I literally don't know how to code, but I'm able to describe what the technology is and have a communication with my engineering team. That's all you need. You need to understand what is the right thing, right level, right depths you need to have in order to become a technical product manager. Okay, number one thing. So Chan took some kind of certifications out there. Number two is that when she started to continue looking into getting into FAANG companies, she started to leverage her past consulting experience as a Deloitte. She was like most of us and didn't like went to Harvard Business School, you know, didn't work for McKinsey, those kind of company. By the way, even like McKinsey consultant cannot become product manager because right now it's like extremely competitive. Okay, so now
she took a different approach. She was like, well, as a consultant at Deloitte, I have done lots of things that's relevant to product management, but as a consultant, I'm like all pieces of information. So she decided to learn the end-to-end product management and then put her past consulting experience into product portfolio to demonstrate, well, in this project, I did 50% of the whole end-to-end cycle. For that project, I did 30% end-to-end cycle, but I did 20 different projects together. She had gone through multiple products end-to-end product management cycle. So she was using product portfolio strategy to get into Amazon. Okay, I want you guys to use the same methodology to upgrade yourself, upgrade your skills to then into the next level. As I said, her offer is from last year, but last month we still have Meta and also Amazon offer. Okay, so for people, I talk about our last month's offer. Also show you guys his LinkedIn profile, Yanish, as well. Okay, you guys can like find him on LinkedIn, 1 hour students. Yeah, it's out there. So someone else can make it happen. Why not you? If you look up online, there's more than 1 openings in those FAANG companies, but it's very selective, right? So which means that, hey, make sure you use the product portfolio strategy, which is going to help you to achieve your result much faster. Of course, once you land an interview, you know how to pass the interview. That's why you're here to do mock interview with me. And for everyone who get ready to do mock interview, please make sure you go to this website, darkness.com/50FAANG, to download your PM mock interview questions. And those are the real life interview questions. And now, regardless of FAANG companies, non-FAANG companies, and all companies are using similar type of questions to test your capabilities as a product manager. Okay. Let me put the link in the chat and you guys can check it out as well. Awesome. Great. So let's continue. Make sure you got all the free resources ready. Now, okay, by the way, we have a Rishabh here with us to do mock interview. How to get free access to the mock interview is the Zoom call, the Zoom link, how to get it. And you just email my team at info@pmxsearch.io, or you directly go to the description of the video. There's a Google form. You submit your information and my team will send you a Zoom link. Either way, it's fine, okay? Whoever gets selected to receive free coaching from me is for people who give the most like and share and comment of our YouTube videos or Instagram stories. So make sure you share, like, subscribe. Okay, everyone please give a like button because we give lots of free content for lots of people, like landing the job offer, just like watching all the free content. Of course, who support any of our nonprofit, you're receiving free coaching from me as well. And today is International Women's Day. Okay, so I will celebrate all this for all the women out there. And one of the nonprofit we support is called Marisi. Let me quickly do this. See my screen. So Marisi is one of the nonprofit we support, which is Save Girls from Human Sex Trafficking. Okay, so in the past couple of years, I donated over $20,000 to nonprofit, and this is the latest nonprofit we discover and also we support. They help. It's crazy. So they help lots of girls in developing countries and saving them from human sex trafficking. They have helped 12,000 girls so far. It's heartbroken to hear so many different, oh, damn it. Last year was 12,000, now it's 16,000. This is crazy. It just, the number is too high. And the whole world had 28 million girls getting taken through human sex trafficking. Is crazy. Okay, so we're together to achieve this. Anybody who donate to those nonprofit, you're getting free coaching from me as well through Zoom link, and you get priorities. And on top of that, our this year we're having our own nonprofit called PMA Kids. Okay, so everyone understand this, let everyone know. So PMA Kids represent, in the past, kids from middle income families that total family income is under $100,000 per year, and their teenager kids can join our PMA Kids program to teach them product management. Okay, we're doing this summer. We're starting our nonprofit called PMA Kids. I'm very excited about this. Awesome. And of course, anybody who is interested in product management coaching, go to darknessly.com to learn more. Okay, and now let's go into quick mock interview and get ready. I think that's everything. Oh, cool. Oh, one other thing. Okay, so anybody interested in PM Accelerator, the coaching program we have, go to this website, darkness.com/masterclass to register for our free masterclass and stay until the end. Learn about who do we select to join the program. Okay, so now here's how things work. In the masterclass, I teach you how to land the top tier PM offers in March 2023 using the product portfolio strategy that works even when rejected again. And even if you don't have the confident tech degree or PM experience. So go to this website, darkness.com/masterclass to learn more. Let me put the information here. So right here, you can go here, and let me also put it in the chat. So you guys, everyone who is interested can go as well. Cool. So let me come here. I believe we went through all the deck. So let's do mock interview right now. Let's do mock interview. I'm so excited. Rishabh, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good, Nancy. How are you?
I'm doing well. Where are you right now?
I'm based in Delhi, India.
Oh my goodness, what time is it in India?
It's 9:30 p.m. midnight.
Oh, it's not that bad. 9:30. I thought it's 12. That's good.
No.
Good timing for you guys to join my YouTube live. Okay, great. So
Yeah.
you guys welcome. You guys make sure to like and share the free coaching with everybody, at least you like this, and everyone hit the like button right now. Okay. Tell me your 30 seconds elevator pitch. Tell me about yourself.
Okay. So, hi, I'm Rishabh Sharma. I have 2 years of experience working in planning, in organizing hackathons, brand development, and building strategies while acting as the lead organizer of India's largest student-run hackathon. And I started my career as a front-end developer, but soon got promoted to the project lead of the same project, which became my first introduction to leadership. Then, acting as an organizer, I got an opportunity to work and improve my planning, communication, and problem-solving skills, which landed me my current role of branding intern at an NFT music play startup, where I am building roadmaps and strategies for the expansion. Having worked in these domains, I think I have gained experiences and skills which I can apply and contribute meaningfully to the product development. Hence, I aspire to be a product manager and use my skills.
Awesome. Okay, cool. And I'm glad you definitely watch our 30 seconds elevator pitch videos. Get ready for this. This is very good. I can see. Okay, so tell me, what kind of role are you trying to land? Full-time PM intern? Full-time or tell me more. Full-time PM job or part-time? Or internship?
Yeah, actually, I'm looking for a full-time job. It's also if it's followed by an internship, that's also okay to me.
Okay, so what type of companies?
Particularly SaaS startups.
Okay, so you're trying to aim startups right now.
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay, so let's do this. What kind of, do you want to do part of case interview or behavioral interview?
As you wish. I'm comfortable with both, I guess. Okay,
so let's do some behavior interview first. And see if you can pass behavior. You cannot even pass behavior interview. I don't think other interviews would be easy on you. Okay, so let's do this for startups. Rishabh, so tell me an example when you turn a product from concept to execution.
Sorry?
Tell me an example when you turn a product from concept to execution.
Okay. So as I've said, my current role in the current startup. So when we started in the ideation phase, so we had to decide first of all the product. We have focused on the problem, which was the problem faced by the indie artist in India currently for particularly 3 things: revenue, reach, and reconnecting with fans. So getting across those 3 problems, we started with the building for looking at the existing solution, are there any solution as of now, and what are the problems being faced by the indie artists in actually. And we run through some interviews with one of the indie artists that we knew personally to think what solutions they are thinking and are they synonymous with our own product or not. So we tried creating an intersection between their ideas and our ideas and use our technical expertise of Web3 and NFTs to solve that problem. And then before the execution things, we hired a few advisors like who were continuously advising us on the execution part. And we break down our product into few stages. We first decided to build an MVP so that we can launch and attract a potential customer base, which we were focusing on like the early adopters for our products. So the basic MVP we decided was like at least the artist can create and mint and sell their NFTs, and with the rest of the features coming soon in the 2 of the months. And on the basis of that feature, like we are currently running our campaigns and the marketing campaign, getting more and more artists towards our platform and pitching them through like the what are the things on the on board. And we aim to the ship the upcoming features as soon as possible, the next feature being shipped in the next month. So I would say that I am at a very early startup, so like there was not much to be done from the concept to the execution, and we have been working just on the MVP and the first feature right now.
Okay, so it's very hard to follow, to be frank. I don't think you took training from other my videos regarding how to turn a product from concept to execution. Did you watch the free training?
No, I am not.
Okay, let me show you. You didn't follow the right framework. It's very hard to follow. I believe you did a good job for those NFT startups. Even if you did the first version MVP, there's still lots of stories to tell, but the way you told your story wasn't good. So it's just not memorable. So let me do this. Let me share my screen and show you what framework to use and how to improve your answer. Okay, so everybody see my screen? Oh, I haven't shared yet. Hold on. Okay, come here. Okay, now go to this playlist, Product Manager interview questions and answers. They will definitely ask you this question: launch a product from concept to execution.
From concept to execution.
What is a concept?
Okay.
So this video had how many? 8,000 views already. So everybody need to go here. Okay, everybody go like this video. Make it 300 likes. First of all, let me copy paste so everyone can watch this. To say all the sample answers. You guys need to dig in. Okay, I put it in the chat. Let me know, both YouTube and LinkedIn, guys. Can you guys see what I post in the chat? Let me know. Say yes if you can see it, and double check you guys have everything. So let me go through the framework with you guys. Yeah, I'm missing the framework. Number one. So in this video, everyone watch it. So I shared this in the chat already. So most important, when you talk about how to answer this question, you need to give an overview of your product and then break into 3 phases. Phase number one is ideation phase. I think you talk a lot about ideation. You don't call that ideation. You also told us lots of stuff. It's just very hard to understand what's going on. Okay. We'll tell you how to make it shorter later on. So number 2 is MVP. Number 3, product launch. Looks like you're missing product launch. We'll tell you how to bridge the gap. Okay. But your first part, the way you tell ideation was way too long. So let me help you to make it shorter so they can answer this question in like 2 minutes, no longer than 3 minutes. Number 1, you can tell them, hey, let me tell you an example when I turn ABC the product from concept to execution. You give it a name. What is a NFT? What? Any NFT? Or NFT for developer? What? Tell me more. NFT platform?
Yeah, NFT marketplace platform.
Like OpenSea, right?
Yeah.
Cool. So when I turn NFT or marketplace platform from concept to execution. First of all, let's talk about the entire ideation phase. I took 3 phases: ideation, MVP, and launch. First of all, let's talk about ideation. Ideation, talk about how we come up with the ideas. The way you describe the whole ideas is wrong. Okay, you should talk about you talk to, let's say, 50 different customers. You had a custom voice, a customer interview, then you realize they have this kind of pain point. Pain point number 1, 2, 3. I don't know what exactly is the pain point. You have this kind of pain point. And then you can talk about next step. I decided to like have a brainstorming session to figure out what's the best strategy to solve the problem, which is creating an NFT platform. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, so now using the framework, tell me again, how do you do ideation?
Okay, so like as per the framework, I would say that the ideation pretty much started from the first person point of view, because the founder, the person who is the founder of the startup, was actually into music industry, and he was building he was creating his music pieces. So he was facing the similar problems that other artists also faces in the industry. But to validate that that if the problem is being faced by other artists as well or not, like as we
What
said,
problem?
we ran some.
What problem? What problem?
So the problem was of the three basic things that the indie artists face. It is of reach, revenue, and the reconnecting with fans. So for as of the current scenario, for the reach, they have to collaborate with some major distribution labels, which take up to 80% of the revenue share. So the artists are left with a very minimal piece of their, the music fees. And apart from that, the second thing is to publish their music on platforms like Spotify, which again pays them very low, and the rate is approximately $3 to $4 per 1,000 views.
Wow, very low. Wow. Okay. So very good. So you have lots of insight, didn't say it well. So starting from talking, if I were able to say it through the ideation phase, no need to mention that like founder, whatever, you're part of team. First of all, our team decided to interview lots of artists in the music industry. And we discovered 3 key pain points: reach, revenue, and engagement with fans. And by talking to 100 or how many artists you have, you discover that first of all, when they try to reach to when they try to make living off music and their revenue share is only like 20% when they work with labels. But if you publish on Spotify, they're only getting $3 out of 1,000 views. And they are not able to get paid for what they're worth for their creativities. So this pain point is universal out of 100 like artists we talk to. Isn't it like much more like clean and better to describe the situation?
Yeah.
Okay, so did you do surveys or you just talk to them?
So like the survey part was done before I joined the team, but after I joined the team, like major of the part was done through interviews and personal interaction through the artists we knew.
Okay, then you say that I had like a voice of customer interview, in-person interviews with 20, 100 different kind of artists and learned the following 3 things. And then you had a brainstorm session with your team. Together, you create this NFT marketplace idea. So now in one sentence, tell me why the NFT marketplace is going to help the musicians solve their top 3 pain points right now.
Okay. So the first one, like I would start with the revenue, as I say. So on our platform, the first of all, revenue, how the NFTs are going to solve them. So the artist would be getting the revenue that they generate by selling the NFTs. And another model that we have on our particular platform is that whenever an NFT gets resold, even after the first purchase, then always a royalty, the some part of the NFT price would be going to the artist as ownership, as a creator royalty. So it is like a permanent source of revenue, a recurring source of revenue for them. And this is a way that it is helping them on the revenue thing. And second, coming to the reach, we have an internal community of our own listeners, and we have started a referral program where people are motivated to find out the good music which they think can get popular. They promote their music, and once someone purchases NFT through their referrals, they also get a certain incentive on promoting that particular piece of music, so increasing the artist's reach. And thirdly, the engagement with fans. We currently, there is no such platform which provides music artists with the data of their listeners, which can differentiate its listener into 2 categories, that is listener and fans. Like no artist knows that how many times which person is listening to his song on Spotify. So we are aiming to provide that data through our platform so that user can engage better with their fans instead of all the listeners.
Okay, great. I really like it. Okay, we just need to break it down. You break it down a little bit. Okay, so through the brainstorming session, we started this NFT platform. Number one is to solving the revenue strategy, a revenue pain point. We decide to use like a token, and they got an initiative when they pronounce that everything you just said. Number two, because there's 3 pain points to describe how we solve all 3. Unless you only solve 2, then you talk about 2, right? So number 2 is about engagement with the audience. And we are the only platform that's able to collect the data of the audience, directly send over to the artist. To make it short, right? I only use 1 sentence to describe how you solve the 3rd pain point. Okay, you use 1 sentence per pain point, straightforward, get there. And so now we're moving into phase 2. Hello, Abda, how are you? And I saw you on the Zoom as well. Cool, we're gonna get to you later on for your mock interview. So now next part is, then we go into phase 2, which is really building MVP and test out the market. So when you talk about your MVP, you should talk about how exactly build MVP. You work in an engineering team, cross-functional team, there are 50 people in it. You need to talk more regarding how exactly you build a product. Okay, so tell me more, how you develop MVP.
Okay, so like the 3 of our team members who are working in the tech team, who were building the entire thing on their own, 1 on the front end and 2 on the back end. So they had developed everything. I was particularly on the growth part, more on their getting the data through surveys and interviews, like what can be done through them. And apart from them, we have people in the marketing team.
No. The way you describe how you build MVP is incorrect. Okay, the specific product management framework you need to follow. Okay, watch the video. Everybody, you need to follow the framework. Okay. Everybody follow the framework. Okay. This one. And mute this. Okay, I can direct it. Is this one? Okay, this framework, which also I have a whiteboard. I write down what the framework should look like. Everyone should just go listen and use it. Okay, so do it now. In the framework, when we talk about developing MVP, it's not about my engineering. It's not describing your team members. It's from your perspective, how you lead the team to build it. When we develop an MVP, we're using the agile methodology. We have a team of 3 engineers, 2 marketers, and 1 product manager, which is me. I turn the customer's requirements into an engineering-facing user stories and requirement. And through the daily stand-up, user story grooming, and the engineering team start to develop the product. Once we have any initial feature that's available, I continuously bring this back to our customers to receive feedback and bring it back to our engineering team through user stories so that we continue to improve our MVP. Eventually, our MVP became very mature. We're able to test out the market to get early adopter. That's when we launched our first version of our MMP, minimum viable product. That's your phase 3. Okay, so your entire framework is incorrect. It's not about what did I do. Everyone need to understand this. It's not about what you did. It is about what hiring manager want to hear, to be frank. Okay, so how things work is whenever you go into an interview, we have a sheet. Say, we need to take notes and then send over to HR. Did this person pass or not, right? We need to see, what's this person's product requirement framework? How did he develop MVP? Agile process, no agile? Did he communicate with customers? So we need to answer the questions in the checklist. That's why our questions and our student inside of product manager accelerator, which is the program I teach, the question is better was because this is what hiring manager want to hear. You got to say things like this. Okay, so therefore you watch the YouTube video, which tell you exactly the 5 different things you must say in those answers. That's why you can pass those interviews. Okay, so it's not describing what exactly happened. It's like, oh, let me say something hiring manager is looking for so that they can mark it on the sheet. So that's the key. Okay, so yeah, watch the video. I put in the YouTube channel in the chat. You guys should get it. If you couldn't get it, feel free to email my team at info@pmaccelerator.io. Okay, you should have everything. Okay, so let's do our next mock interview. Let me double check. Hold on, I have too many tabs open. Oh, another important resources for all of you guys before we do the next mock interview. Let me share my resource right now. Right here. Okay, everybody, here is how you find mock interview partners. Right here. Everyone should take a screenshot right now. Okay, and you directly go find a mock interview partner. You can join WeChat group and LinkedIn group, find your mock interview partners, and use the right frameworks. You're going to improve significantly. Oh, another quick reminder: next inner circle, next Thursday is our inner circle, and actually, okay, so this is our every month we have inner circle. This is our last month's inner circle, the February 23rd, and actually next Thursday we have another inner circle. People can join for free, which is about how to use ChatGPT to pass any job interviews. we haven't built the website yet, but it's the same website, drnita.com/inner circle, and join. So go to this website, you're able to get a Zoom link. Okay, drnancy.com/inner circle. Get a Zoom link to our inner circle for next Thursday. Okay, so it's right. Oh, let me also put the link in the chat as well. One sec. Let me share my screen so that you can continue to take a look. That's for ChatGPT. We haven't built the website. No, we haven't updated. The website is from last month. Every month of a new one. But you should register right now so that you will get the link. One sec. Oops. Hold on. Too many tabs open. So let me put it in a circle here. Very exciting. Okay, so let's do that. Let's continue our mock interview. Let me, what I'm sharing something. Am I sharing? Okay,
no,
great. No, I'm not sharing. Okay, great, cool. Oh, quick reminder, actually, everyone who is here. What about offers? I forgot. So people frequently think about, well, what do I do? Is this really, are there still opportunities? The answer is yes. Okay, so this is what happened in February 22nd. This is our latest offer celebration. And as I said, we have one student L, then offer from Meta, the other student Ayanish, and then offer from Amazon L6, senior PM internship offer, Rashmi land a director offer, Amy land offer from TikTok, and she was a CPA, basic. She's working on accounting software, and then she land offer in Canada, and she land offer in the US at the senior PM from TikTok. Okay, then other people doing different kind of interviews out there. So guys, there are opportunities out there. Is that I want you to use the best resources to really land a job offer. Okay, just the best one and land a job offer. That's the only differences, but there's still more opportunity. Just make sure you guys are ready to be the number one. Just the market is very competitive. You need to do extra effort, just like getting free coaching from here today, and also share this video. Okay, share the video and like it with any aspiring product managers or senior PMs out there. Awesome. So let's continue mock interview. Do I have other questions? We will talk about other questions later on. Let's finish our mock interview first. Let me ask Abda. Hello, can you turn on your camera? Are you here to do mock interviews? Can you unmute yourself? I cannot hear you.
Hi.
Hello, can you turn on your camera? Are you here to do mock interviews?
Why? Because I'm outside right now. Just I'm hearing.
Oh, you're listening to it. Okay. So my
Yeah.
team, did you submit your questions? That's why my team sent you the Zoom link.
Where?
Where did you find the Zoom link? Did my team email you the Zoom link?
Yes.
Okay. So why, Rashab, you are getting different Zoom link? Interesting.
I got the link in the mail, but like I was not able to join, so that it just kept me in the waiting room. But I joined the event through which you sent me on the personal email again.
Interesting. Why you two getting different links? But anyway, cool. So let's do this. Let's do another quick mock interview. Let's do a quick % mock interview, and we go through other questions submitted in the chat. Oh, by the way, people who join us live, you should do mock interview with us together. Rajab, so let's do this. Let's do a quick product sense interview. Because of time, we may not be able to finish it, but we'll try our best. And it also depends on your performance. Okay. Everyone who is here on YouTube Live or LinkedIn Live, let's do this case together. Gonna do product case interview and product sense interview. You guys put the questions, your answers in the chat. You can also ask me separate questions. You can put a question in the chat directly. And most important, when we do customer segmentation, everyone who join us, you can put your answers in the chat. We'll review it live as well. Okay, so now let's do the following. Product design interview. This Google interview question, design a bookshelf for elderly. So Rashab, so help me to do this. Tell me, if I ask you to design bookshelf for elderly, how would you do it?
Like I just wanted to clarify, like it is only particularly for elderly, or we are receiving some mixed audience?
Just elderly people.
Okay.
Everyone else, I can see your answers in the chat as well. So put in the chat, how would you do customer segmentation? Bookshelf for elderly people. Yeah, feel free to put in the chat. Akil and I still there. Yeah, put your answer in the chat. Everyone put your answer in the chat. I'll review it. Oh, Rishba, you don't need to put in the chat. You tell me your answer. Everyone else put in the chat. So what do you think?
Yeah. So, like, very sorry for, but like, I cannot, able to get that what I have to deliver. So, could you please explain me that what type of thing you are expecting me to,
Oh, product design. Have you done any product design case before?
No, that's why like I'm facing a bit problem. I have not done design case.
Okay, then we cannot do today's mock interview. Anybody who's live with us, you can put your answer in the chat. I'll review your answer. Okay, now let's give you guys an overview. You guys don't know how to do product design. Okay, come here. Let me give you guys the framework, what to expect. So product design. Here's how things work. Go to my channel. To my channel. The second most popular video. First is Google, and second is best product design case interview questions. This has all the framework you need. And okay, come here. Go to this video, the best product manager design interview question. Step number 1 is you need to do customer segmentation. So this one is about design an Uber app for people with disabilities. This video, Uber app with people with disabilities, you come here. When we talk about this one, you need to think about how would you break down different kind of customer segmentations. Okay, so which is like, of course, you start with mission why we're designing Uber app for people with disabilities. You comprehend the situation first. This is for like for meta interview, we talk about the mission and why, and of course, download top 10 clarifying questions to ask the interviewer. You should go to this. The link is also in the description of this top 10 and download this yourself. Okay, and the rest is good. Okay, great. So now, after you finish this one, you break down customer segmentation, riders and drivers. This is for Uber. So that's where the customer segmentation coming from. So when we talk about design a bookshelf, the customer segmentation is thinking about what different type of people using bookshelf. And now at here, we break it down to like riders continue to be broken down, drivers can continue to be broken down as well. All right, so that's basically the video has all the framework you're looking for. After you talk about that and you talk about different pain points, which is right here. Yeah, it's right here. Do I write? I believe I wrote pain point on the, yeah. So basically you talk about the pain point for each side of marketplace. But before you do that, you need to prioritize the customer segmentation, because so many customer segmentation, prioritize your prioritized one. And then you talk about what different kind of like pain points you have for each segmentation. Then you continue to prioritize your pain point so that you know what pain point to solve the problem. So you prioritize this pain point, and then you start to create ideas, different type of ideas, okay idea, best ideas, moonshot ideas, okay, for the prioritized pain point. So basically that's how you answer this interview question, and basically apply the same framework for other interview questions as well. Okay, cool. Everyone give this video like, make 1,000 likes, make 1,000 likes. Okay, very important, make 1,000. Let me also share this video in the chat so everyone can see it as well. Okay, cool. Let's do this. Let's do Q&A. We are not going to complete the mock interview because you're not prepared. Watch this. Okay, study this first. Now let's do this. Let's go through other pre-submit questions. Is this a question? Chandra said, what are the necessary keywords to be in resume for senior PM role? Oh, very good question. For senior PM role, here's the important part you need to put in. It's about the scope of work. For senior PM, it's more not about, hey, I wrote requirements, like the impact and led a team of how many. You don't need to, as senior PM, you may not manage entry-level PM, but you can say led a team of 20 engineers and like manage capital budget of $50 million or $150 million. The bigger, the better. For senior people, it's very, very extremely important that you talk about the scope of work and the impact you had to the organization, which is very different from entry-level PM. Okay, so do that. So watch this, and everyone should watch the resume template tips. Let me also share another video for with all of you guys. Everyone come here. Go to the resume video we have here. Resume keywords. So go to these two places. That's a different kind of keywords you use for your resume. Okay, so those has everything you need, and must have product manager resume keywords leading to FAANG PM interviews. So everything is here. So make sure to come here to watch it and study more. Okay. Oh, let me put the link in the chat for all of you guys. Cool. Let's do Q&A. Simon, do you pull up WeChat and LinkedIn QR code again? Okay, yes, let me show you. Yeah, let's do it right now. Let me pull up right now. You can take a screenshot. Right here, take a screenshot right now. You can scan the QR code to join the WeChat group and LinkedIn group to find your mock interview partners. Okay, take a screenshot. Did you do it? I assume you did. Okay. Now let's come to next. Pinkas, what are differentiated good PMs from mediocre PM? Very good question. I'm going to make a YouTube videos, and I have it already. Okay, so here I have a YouTube video about this. So let me give an overview first. Good PM or like okay PM. Good PM, think about the long-term strategic impact. Okay, so bad PM, think about how can I get the job done today. Good PM, thinking about leadership. Bad PM, think about management. Leadership means that how can I align the vision within the team. So bad PM, think about how can I manage people to do job I ask them to do. That's differences. Now, good PM also think about cross-functional like organizations and impacts so that they can do alignment much better and faster in real life scenario. Bad PM only think about how can they make their own team go faster, but didn't think about the entire like company's roadmap. Okay, good PM also very good at public speaking, storytelling. Bad PM is only good at technical stuff, which is let me just write requirement, let me just do some whatever technical conversation with engineers. All right, so that's the huge differences between good PM and okay PM. Now there is the videos. Let me show you guys. There is a YouTube video I filmed. Where is, oh, right here. Channel differences in good PM, bad PM. Oh, there is a video here. I think I put it under senior PM playlist. Oh, yeah. 10 difference between a good PM with a bad PM, they can get fired or promoted. So I talk about 10 different kind of like differences, and you guys should continue to watch this. Okay, 10 differences. Let me share this in the chat. Put it in the chat so you will have it. I can't hit send. That's weird. I don't know why I cannot hit send. You can reply. Oh, reply what? Hold on. I don't know why I cannot hit send. But anyway, ooh, it's frozen. That's weird. Anyway, you guys should go here. Basically, this video I just shared with you. Okay, so let's continue. Next question. Oh, let me. Right here. So let's do the next one. JD said, how to answer, tell me about your past product is an optimal framework to use. Yes. How to tell me about your past product is about similar to turn a product from concept to execution. All right. So, but tell me about your past product is the same framework, but you spend more time talking about the impact. Start from, oh, my past product is using AI to help cities reduce car crashes. Using that past product example, I will talk about the customer pain point. We have ideation. And then when we launch a product, has been used by 10 different cities within 6 months, and different kind of impact and emphasize. When you tell your past product, it's similar to from ideation to launch, but you spend lots of time talking about the upfront, what problem you solve, and the impact you had. Okay, so hopefully this helped you. Catherine, how to enroll PMA Pro program? Okay, here's how things work. Hey guys, go to this website. Is it workable? Yeah. So I have a coaching program that have helped 100 people land their dream PM job offer in FAANG companies, unicorn startup. So it's right here. So go to this website, drnancy.com/masterclass, and register. Pick the time that works best for you to attend the masterclass, and then stay until the end to understand how you are able to quickly leverage yourself into the next level by joining our program or not. But stay until the end where we talk about who do we select to join our program. Okay, but this is a free coaching for all of you guys to get started right away. And using the portfolio strategy I just covered in the masterclass. Nice. Cool. Nice. Cool. Okay. So let me see if I answer all the questions or not. Oh, answer all the question. PMA leader. Yeah, PMA leader goes to drnancy.com/leader, which is after you land a job. Okay. Pro is before you land a job. You master all the PM skills, including upskill and also the interview prep. Upskill and interview prep, we teach you both. Okay, cool. Nice. Looks like we answered all the live questions. Let me double check the chat. Simon, you have it. Yeah, those are the live question we have already. Hello. Okay, so looks like we went through all of this. Thank you for staying with us, everybody. And for anybody who's interested in PMS research, go to this website, drnancy.com, to learn more. Okay, I am looking forward to seeing all of you guys. All right, have a good day. See you guys. Tuning in next Thursday for our inner circle. That's Zoom only. It won't be streamed, no recording. So make sure to join us live next Thursday, 12 p.m. EST. Awesome. Okay, cool. All right, talk to you guys soon. Have a good day. And make sure to like this video, share this video, give a like for this video, put a thumb up in the chat. Awesome. Cool. All right. Talk to you guys soon. See you guys. Bye.
Thanks, Nancy, for showing me the level. And yeah, I know I have to prepare a lot and will be coming back harder.
Yeah. Yes, you can to follow the framework. Awesome. Yeah. Make sure to share this video with your friends and let me know. Email me you have shared. Okay. I'd love to know.
Yeah, sure.
Cool. All right. Talk to you soon. Bye, guys. Bye.
Thank you.